And there, the first visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Dashashwamedh Ghat to file the nomination for the third time from Kashi, which has now become his Karma Bhumi. The cleaner ghats compared to how possibly it was about 10 years ago. Of course, heightened security right now. Returns to Kashi this time, perhaps hopeful of a bigger historic margin. We are told that Prime Minister Modi will be offering prayers and will also likely take a dip in the Ganga River, and as he said in a video recently shared, first acknowledging the people who have gathered, waving to them. Let's dip to the video and to the sounds coming in from on the ground.
Going to offer prayers at this very ghat. You can see as to how Prime Minister is now also accepting the welcome of all the people who have gathered here to welcome him. You can see how the priest, the group of priests which is also standing by here, they are now offering up, they are now putting a tilak on his forehead. We are now seeing the pictures coming in of Prime Minister, who is all set to begin his prayers here at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. Remember that Prime Minister is going to offer prayers before filing his nomination, and these are the live pictures coming in of PM Narendra Modi, who is present here at the famous Ghat, the Dashashwamedh Ghat. He is now offering prayers. There he is taking part in different rituals. You see as to how he is now taking part in the prayer offering ceremony. So we are now seeing as to how the ceremony has begun. There is a group of priests which is now standing by here to assist Prime Minister for the entire process. So after this process, Prime Minister will be moving towards the Kal Bhairav temple, where he will offer prayers there at the temple, and then he will move towards the collectorate to file his nomination. So today is a very auspicious day for filing nomination, and that is why Prime Minister chose this Muhurat, and we are now seeing the pictures coming in of Prime Minister, who is taking part in a prayer offering ceremony. And after offering prayers here at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, Prime Minister will be moving towards the Kal Bhairav temple. You see how he is now offering prayers. There are different rituals, those are being performed. There are different Vedic mantras, those are also being chanted as Prime Minister is offering prayers. At the same time, there is a huge crowd which has gathered here to welcome Prime Minister, and Prime Minister also received their welcome when he reached here at the Dashashwamedh Ghat. So these are the pictures, live pictures coming in from one of the famous ghats of Varanasi, where before filing nomination for the third time from the holy city, Prime Minister is now offering prayers. After offering prayers, he will be moving towards the Kal Bhairav temple, and for that there is a cruise which has also been brought in here, and the same cruise which is parked there will be used to travel towards the Kal Bhairav temple. What we are also learning is that Prime Minister might go to Namo Ghat also, and then to Kal Bhairav temple. So there is a tight schedule of Prime Minister. After filing his nomination, Prime Minister will also hold a meeting with NDA leaders, and then he will go towards Koderma for addressing a political rally. So today is the day when Prime Minister has chosen to file his nomination. At around 11:40, Prime Minister will be filing nomination, and that is the Abhijit Muhurt, that is the auspicious Muhurt which Prime Minister has chosen. At around 11:30, he is likely to reach the collectorate office, and before that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now offering prayers. These are the live pictures coming in from the Dashashwamedh Ghat. Before offering prayers here at the Dashashwamedh Ghat, Prime Minister yesterday addressed a mega road show. He took part in mega road show. More than 10 lakh people had participated in that road show, and today Prime Minister has come here to offer prayers at Ma Ganga. What we are also given to understand is that after offering prayers, Prime Minister will move towards Kal Bhairav temple. So it's a very auspicious day which Prime Minister has chosen, and he will be filing nomination during that particular Muhurat, the Abhijit Muhurat. There are 4 proposers also whose names have surfaced, who will be there during the nomination filing ceremony. Top leadership of BJP, including Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath, BJP's National President JP Nadda, and many others will be present as Prime Minister will be filing his nomination. So a beeline of ND leaders will also be present, and today the BJP is going to show its show of strength as PM files his nomination. at Collectorate Office at around 11:40 a.m. So these are the pictures. We continue to beam on the live visuals coming in from the Shashwamedh Ghat, where different rituals are now being performed. You can also see the kind of security arrangements those have been put in place. Prime Minister today will be filing his nomination for the third time. In 2014, he had come here, and when he had filed his nomination for the first time from Varanasi, at the time he had said that "Mujhe Maa Ganga ne bulaya hai," and today also he has released a video saying that Maa Ganga ne mujhe ab apna liya hai. So we are now seeing the emotional connect which Prime Minister is making with the people of Varanasi. Everywhere in Banaras you will only find the posters of PM Narendra Modi where it is written "Hamar Kashi, Hamar Modi." So that is also one of the connect which BJP is now trying to make with the Kashi with Prime Minister Modi, and that is why we have seen how not only these posters have been put up, but for the roadshow of PM Narendra Modi, BJP had gone to each and every house and had invited around 10 lakh people of Varanasi. So out of the population of 20 lakh, 10 lakh people were yesterday on the streets to welcome Prime Minister to take part in that grand road show which began from Banaras Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, and then it moved towards the Kashi Vishwanath temple. So yesterday Prime Minister did a mega road show. Today he is offering prayers at the Shashwamedh Ghat, and after offering prayers at this Ghat, Prime Minister will be moving towards the Kal Bhairav temple. There is a relevance of Kal Bhairav temple. Kal Bhairav temple is also Kal Bhairav God. Kal Bhairav is also being considered as Kotwal of Banaras. And before doing any big program or any big event, people take blessings of Kal Bhairav. So Prime Minister will be taking blessings of blessings and also the permission of Kal Bhairav God.
Piyush, stay on with me, because as we look at these visuals, this is the first steps being taken. This is at the Dashashwamedh Ghat where Prime Minister Modi is. And I must add to the viewer that today is a very significant day when it comes to the Hindu faith. It is also the Ganga Saptami, if I'm correct, because this also means on the day when one of the most auspicious rivers of the country, and goddess Ganga is worshipped as a mother, as one of the most auspicious rivers, and that is why to have this ceremony on the day of Ganga Saptami adds on to the blessings and wishes that are received. That literally that goddess Ganga has arrived on the earth to bless the devotees. So it is adding on to the values as well, to the significant faith and the manner in which a devotion